Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are heading to Target. These deals run from August the 18th until August the 24th. And of course, all of these deals are digital. So, you're going to be scoring just by using your phone and the Target app and a couple other rebate apps. Now, if you do not want to write these deals down, then I got you. There is a printable breakdown in the description box. So you don't need to write anything down. You can either print it off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. No need to write anything down. All right, let's get started on some awesome Target deals. This is such a good deal on the Tide Clean Boost fabric rinse. This is the 25 and a half fluid ounces. It's $6.99. Now, on the Target app, there is a Target Circle coupon for $3.50. So all you do is clip that coupon and it applies at the register. So your total for this Tide Clean Boost is going to be $3.49. This is a one-time only coupon and it expires on August the 31st. Just remember also that printable breakdown is in the description box, or if you're watching from TikTok, then it's going to be in the link in my bio. There is a promotion going on this week at Target when you spend $75 on beauty and health products, then you'll get a save $15 bonus. So this is a good week if you want to stock up on various health products and combine those together to get that $15 off. Just make sure you clip it in the app. So I'm not going to do that, but I do have the Neutrogena pink grapefruit acne face wash. This is the 2 fluid ounces. It is $4.89. There is a high valued $3.50 coupon on the app. Make sure you clip that. It's going to make the Neutrogena product just $1.39 at the register. We have a lot of high valued coupons on the Target app this week, which I absolutely love. Now, this is the Downy Fresh Scent Unstoppables In Wash Laundry Scent Booster Beads. That is a mouthful, but in my house, I call them flavor crystals, but don't eat them, of course. This is the 5.7 ounce. It is $5. Now, on the Target app, there is a $2.50 coupon that you can clip, and this could be done only one time. So it's going to make your flavor crystals or your Downy Unstoppables just $2.50 after the coupon. All right, guys, got you an FREE, a freebie. You guys know I love me a freebie. This is on the Airwick Scented Oil Air Refresher Warmer. So this is the warmer only. This does not come with the actual scent. So it's $3.99. On the Target app, there is a coupon for $3.99. So just click that coupon and you'll get it absolutely free at the register, and this can be done only one time. Also, I have heard rumors there's also an Airwick coupon on the, not Airwick coupon, Airwick rebate on the Ibotta app. So check your Ibotta app and let me know in the comments if you also have that that rebate on the Ibotta app for $4. If you do, this will make it a money maker of $4. I do not have that rebate on my Ibotta app, but I'll take a freebie any day, and a moneymaker is even better. So let me know in the comments if you do. This is a stock up price on the Summer's Eve feminine cleansing wipes. These are $1.99. So we're going to do for this deal, we're going to pick up 4 packs. Picking up 4 packs, your total is $7.96. Now, the reason we're picking up 4 packs is because we need to get to the threshold of $7 in order to get back the fetch rebate. The fetch rebate is for 1,400 fetch points, or about $1.40. So we're getting back $1.40 from fetch, and then we're also going to get back $4 from Ibotta. Getting back the $4 from Ibotta and the $1.40 from Fetch is going to make the wipes just 64 cents after the Ibotta rebates of $4 and the $1.40 from Fetch. So 64 cents for each one, or $2.56 altogether. These are my favorite Oral-B products. It's the Oral-B Scope Dental Floss Picks. They are $3.99 for the 75 count pack. There is a $2 coupon on the Target app. That $2 coupon is going to make it $1.99. Also, this can be part of the spend 15 save 50, sorry, spend 75 save $15 if you wanted to do that. So I would combine all those things together for that beauty and health to try to be able to save that $15. Now, if you do that, that's only a one-time deal. You can't do it multiple times, and you'll save $15 automatically at the register. So don't skip this deal. I've been kind of annoyed with the whole Tide situation where you buy these Tide wash machine products, or it's the Tide like stain remover, and then you send in for the mail-in rebate and then you don't get it. Like, I'm so sick of that. It's driving me crazy. I know it's probably happened to the rest of you guys, but this is actually a really good deal and you need to do this one, even if it's just like you keep this and you give it to somebody or give it to the, we have a food bank that always accepts cleaning supplies, or you resell it. This is a good resale item. But here is the deal: you're going to get one of these at $11.99. Then, on top of that, Fetch has a reward where every dollar you spent, you're going to get back 1,000 fetch points. So because we're spending $11.99, you're going to get back all of those fetch points back. So that right there, with all those fetch points you're getting back, makes it a moneymaker. But I will tell you, make sure that you check your receipt after you submit to Fetch, because sometimes Fetch has a tendency of missing things. It just happens because you're submitting receipts instead of actually scanning the items. So like I said, $11.99. It's going to make it a total freebie, so you'll get all your money back on Fetch. In addition to that, there is a $2.50 Ibotta rebate you're going to get back. So with that Fetch of $11.99 back and that $2.50 back from Ibotta, it's going to make this a moneymaker of $2.50, which is a great, great deal. I generally don't buy pads and tampons and things at Target. I just feel like they never really have good deals, and I feel like their pads and things are just more expensive for some reason. And when I go to Walmart, I can usually get them for 50 cents to $2, which is a lot better deal than spending this much money. So these are Carefree pads. I like these. They have the wings. They're $7.49. That's way too high for 28 pads to me, because I can get them at Walmart a lot cheaper. Now, this is part of the spend 75 get the $15 in savings, so you could add this to that bulk of items. But what we're going to do is we're going to pick up one of these packs of pads for $7.49. There is a high value $5 Ibotta rebate. I do not know where this Ibotta rebate come from, but if I were you, I would go clip that Ibotta rebate right now before it goes away, because I generally don't see high valued Ibotta rebates on pads like this. So that's $5 back on this. It's a limit of one, so you can only get one pack. So it's going to make these Carefree pads $2.49. Now, what also makes this a good deal is it's not the liners. A lot of times we get great deals on panty liners, but not actual pads. So $2.49 for these is a really good deal with that $5 Ibotta rebate. I'm not one of those couponers that tell people, oh, this is a run deal, run to the store and get this deal, because I know me as a mom, I can't run to the store and get deals as I want. But this is a run deal and it could easily go away in no time. So I'm just letting you know that this is a really good one. And this is one that you can go ahead, if you're, can stock up for next spring, because this is when we usually are using products like this in the springtime. Whenever it starts warming up, the mosquitoes come out and the weather, has all the rain. So for this deal, what you're going to do is pick up 3 of these off mosquito coils. They are $5.49. Okay, picking up 3 of them, your total is $16.47. So $16.47. Now, when you buy 3 of these products, you will get back a $10 gift card. You'll get back a $10 gift card. And that is why I'm telling you this is like one of those run deals, because I don't know if they don't realize they have this with a $10 gift card. So this could probably go away at any moment with that. So it's going to be $6.47. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. Ibotta has a dollar off on these off products. It is attaching, it is working. So with that, you're going to get back a dollar for each one. So that's $3 back. So with that $10 gift card and $3 back, it's going to make the total for these $3.47, or about $1.16 each on this. I'm definitely picking these up, and like I said, it is a run deal, even though I hate to say that. So these Colgate products are on an additional sale for 15% off. So I think that's a really good deal already. But I tend to stock up on these because we always have kids at our house, and sometimes kids just spend the night without all their supplies. And who doesn't just need some extra toothbrushes? I took a bunch of these with us to the beach, and for one reason or another, almost all of them got used on various things. So it was a good idea. So these are the Colgate toothbrushes. They are the 4 count. So you're getting the 4 count toothbrushes for just $1.69. So that's awesome that you'll be able to get 4 toothbrushes for $1.69. Great for a stocking stuffer or whatever you want it to be. Then, in addition to that, we have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate. So, with that 50-cent Ibotta rebate, it could be done up to 5 times. So, you'll be paying for the toothbrushes just $1.19. But in addition to that, this is also part of the spend 75, get a $15 off. So, I would maximize this. I would go ahead and just buy 5 packs of these toothbrushes, get back your 50 cents on each one, make it a really good deal, donate it, give it away, sell it, whatever you want to do. And that could be a really great deal to go with that spend 75, get that $15 off on your beauty products. This Colgate Kids toothpaste is also part of that beauty deal with the spend 75, get $15 off. Now, the toothpaste is also on the 15% off. So it's going to make the toothpaste just $3.39. In addition to that, there is also a $1 Ibotta rebate on the Ibotta app. And so it's going to make the toothpaste just $2.39 for each of the Colgate Kids toothpaste. Now, if this is something that you need, you could buy this up to 5 times if you want. It might be a good idea if you're trying to get to that threshold of $75. And remember, when you're trying to get to that threshold of $75, that is, make sure it is a $75 subtotal. So does not include taxes. So when I'm at the register and I'm trying to get to that threshold, I just ring up all those items together at once to make sure I have gotten there before taxes. So I just subtotal it out. But that's something you could stock up on. In addition to that, there is also a bonus on these Colgate products. So when you buy various Colgate products, you will get a bonus from Ibotta. Great deal on the Tom's Kids toothpaste. This toothpaste is going to be $4.24 after the 15% off. This is also part of the beauty spend 75, get $15 back. So you have the Tom's toothpaste. It is 4.24. So 4.24, and then we have a $1.50 coupon on the app. So you'll take that $1.50 coupon off at the register. It's going to make it $2.74. And then there's a $1 Ibotta rebate. So you have a trifecta here. You got 15% off, you got a $1.50 coupon, and a $1 Ibotta rebate. It's going to make the Times toothpaste $1.74. I know some people who swear by the Tom's deodorant, and I usually don't see coupons or anything out there for it, but this Tom's deodorant is $7.99. There is a high valued $4 coupon on the Target app, which I love because all these high value coupons are just making me happy because most items we're getting are 50% or even more in savings. And that's what we need to be seeing, guys, because we're not paying these inflation prices. Like, it's just ridiculous how much things are costing at the stores. Now, this is also part of the spend 75, get $15 off. So you've got plenty of items that you can get in this video for that spend 75, get $15 off. And if you're loving these items that I'm bringing you, please make sure that you are subscribing to my channel. I work so hard on these videos. It takes a lot of time to bring these deals to you, and I just want people to save money. I know how it feels to not have things, to not have basic necessities. And I always feel like if we can just coupon together, save a little bit of money on the things that we need, then that would just make me overall very, very happy. When I saw this deal on the Airwick refills, I about jumped because we get tons of those free plugs, but we don't get any free, or not free, but any good deals on refills sometimes. I was really excited about this one. So, what you're going to do is pick up the refills. They are $6.99. There is a decent coupon for $2 back. So, we're already saving money at the register, going to get $2 back at the register. So your total for the register is going to be $4.99. Then on Ibotta, there is a $2 back. So with that $2 coupon and that $2 back from Ibotta, these Airwick refills are going to be $2.99, which makes me very happy because I'm always replacing these at my house. All right, guys, you're not going to believe this, but if you were to get everything I told you about in this video, your total is going to be $12.69. I'm not kidding you, $12.69. So if you were not to use any coupons, gift card rebates, whatever, your total will be $93. So you would be dropping probably $100 at the register with taxes on these items. But if you were to do exactly what I say, follow this video, like, share, subscribe, all the things, then you're going to pay just $12.69. Like, if that does not help you and your family save money on that, I don't know what will. So, please, guys, please share my video out to your friends because in these times and these prices, we have to save money. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.